Mornings can be stressful, but they don't have to be. Establishing a successful morning routine is key to starting the day off right. Step 1. Consistent sleep schedule. According to the National Sleep Foundation, a consistent sleep schedule can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. Step 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine recommends avoiding screens before bed and engaging in calming activities like reading or stretching. Step 3. Set an alarm. Using an alarm clock or phone alarm can help you wake up at the same time each morning. Place it across the room to prevent hitting snooze. Step 4. Morning light exposure. Opening your blinds or going outside briefly in the morning can help reset your internal clock. Step 5. Avoid snoozing. Snoozing can disrupt your sleep cycle and make waking up harder. Resist the temptation to hit snooze. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to help establish a successful morning routine for school. Remember, consistency is key. Start your day off right.